What is web hosting? Let's forget about the internet and websites for a second. What is the first thing you need when you want to open a shop? A piece of land to set up your shop and store your products. Right. Without this piece of land, your shop cannot run, as it won't have any space to store your products. Similarly, on the internet, your website is your shop, where you display your products. Here too, you need a piece of land to store your products, your website files. A web hosting company provides you this storage space to store your website files. Sounds interesting? Let's see how it works. When you buy your web hosting plan, the service provider allocates a definite amount of storage space on their servers. So when people visit your website, the computers connect to your web hosting provider's servers, where your website's files are stored and delivered to the individual users, and your website is shown to them. Isn't everything quite simple? So why not start now? Get your website online today.